Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 6 to 8 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so basically how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down until we will find the accounts and sync. It should be in the personal section on the second position. As you can see, we do not have any accounts added, so simply tap on this plus icon and now let's pick Google. If you've got a pattern or a pin, as you can see, your device will require you to enter it in order, of course, to confirm the whole step. And make sure that you've got the internet connection, because again, it is required. And you can, of course, use the mobile data or the Wi-Fi. It doesn't really matter, just have the internet connection. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or you can simply enter your email or phone. So let me do it. And what I wanted to say is that you do not have to enter full email address. You can just place the first part of it. Of course, if the email address is from Google, and it should be. So you can put the first part of it before the @ symbol, and after confirming it, your device will simply, fill the rest of the address, as you can see right here. So after entering the email, we have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. All right, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read it if you want to, just tap on it. And here you will have all the information. At least you should. Let's check another option. Okay, but trust me, you will be able to tap on it and read it. So after reading, simply tap on I agree. Oh, okay. All right, we've been just transferred to the next step, which requires the backup and the backup data. So simply tap on next. Let's wait. And as you can see, we fortunately added our Google account to this device. So from now on, you will be able to use it. Of course, if you want to, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it, and here we have to find this three dots icon and tap on remove. Now let's tap on remove account, tap on OK to confirm, and again enter the pattern. And as you can see, it actually immediately disappears. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your HTC Desire 6 to 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.